Okay guys, what you're seeing now is after 1 day of hacking. So there are certain walls that have been demolished. Okay, so this is the kitchen wall. Okay, there's a wall here that segregates the kitchen from the entrance. So this is the main door. Okay, and then over there will be the living. This unit condition is actually quite good. Flooring wise is tiles, okay, but all these tiles will be overlaid later. And there's some false ceiling, so all this will be torn down as well. There's a good size kitchen over there. So I'll show you the before picture, before the walls have been hacked down. Okay, so this area here. And okay, so that area is actually the common bedroom. So I'm going to convert that into a living. Okay, so this wall, right, the wall segregating the passageway to the bedroom definitely got to be removed. Okay, so I'll also show you the picture before being hacked. Okay, so the entire space there, okay, that's this partial wall will also be hacked down. All the door and door frame all will be hacked down. And this is the common bathroom. So if you see this common bathroom, I've hacked away this wall. Okay, so this wall is going to link the common bathroom with the master bathroom. Okay, so it's going to be an integrated bathroom. There are some water pipings here. Okay, so you can see after hacking there are a lot of holes. Okay, so all this will have to be replaced by the plumber. Okay, all this mixer thing, right, the plumber will have to rerun new pipings. The WC still remains here. Okay, this is the WC area, so that WC is going to be removed. The vanity will be over there, end to end. So this shower screen will also be removed. So the shower area will be still here. There are a lot of box up. Okay, so all these box up will be tidied up nicely. Okay, there's a huge beam here. So all this will be tidied up nicely. The tiles and the floor will be overlaid. Okay, so I'll show you the videos later. Okay, this is the master bedroom. So master bedroom, there's some reconfiguration of the walls. Okay, this is the son's room. So existing wardrobe all will be removed. All the aircon, piping all will be removed. Okay guys, it's been about a week already, and right now it's 1 week after Chinese New Year. Okay, so today most of my guys have already commenced their work. Okay, so today I'm going to show you the unit itself. All the walls have been demolished. Okay, so first of all will be the entrance area. So this entrance area, the kitchen wall, this has been demolished to create a sliding door and then some full height cabinets here. Okay, so kitchen remains as it is. The tiles, all this will be overlaid. Flooring, we're going to do a new layer of waterproofing. Okay, existing flooring at the living is the 600 by 600 tiles. This will be overlaid with vinyl flooring. So take note, you need to remove the existing skirting. Okay, and then have to touch up nicely. Usually when you do vinyl flooring, usually you don't install the skirting. Okay, just to have a more seamless, clean look. Okay, so as you step forward, as mentioned in my previous video, this area or this bedroom, used to be a bedroom, is going to be converted into a living. Okay, so the dining is going to be, the dining table is going to be in the middle of this existing so-called dining and living. Okay, so at this proposed living area, the sofa is going to be here. This is the entrance to 2 rooms. One is the common bedroom, the other one is the master bedroom. Okay, so there will be 2 entrances here with a feature wall going all the way straight, okay, to conceal everything. Okay, I'm going to do the flush fitted doors for the 2 bedroom doors. Okay, so this is the common bedroom. Okay, so at this area here will be the TV console with the feature wall, and then there's a drop ceiling here to conceal electrical trunking and aircon piping. Okay, so this drop here. Okay, so this is the common bathroom. Okay, common bathroom, as you can see, I created an entrance to link the two bathroom together. So the standing shower is still here. The WC remains at this location. So as you walk into the master bathroom, I proposed a 2 basin vanity cabinet that's going to be here. The reason why I proposed the vanity to be here is because you can see here, right, the existing WC is actually back to back. Okay, so that only leaves you about 700 of vanity space. Most of the time it's not enough, just a small vanity top. Okay, so 700 back to back is not enough. So I propose having a longer vanity over here, and at the same time to link this common bathroom and master bathroom together. So at the master bedroom, okay, there's going to be a study table here. Okay, and then at the back will be the son's room. Over here, nothing fanciful, just a bed, okay, and then wardrobe. Okay, so for this unit itself, it doesn't come with the DB storage cabinet, right, like the newer BTOs. Okay, so you can see here at the back of the main door is the DB itself. There's no Netlink truss terminal or whatsoever. So if you want to install the Netlink truss terminal, you can't do it here because then you will need shelving to install your modem. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to have a storage cabinet somewhere here, or any kind of cabinet that you can hide the Netlink truss terminal inside. Okay, and then at the same time the modem or even the wireless router. Hi guys, so it's been about another few more weeks already, and so today I'm going to show you the built-in carpentry works that have been almost fully installed. Okay, so let me just start with the entrance. Okay, for this is the main door. On the left is a full height shoe cabinet, and over here, okay, is actually a very slim or shallow cabinet to hide the DB, and also place the internet Wi-Fi from Netlink truss. Okay, so all this will be shoe shelvings. Okay, and over here there's a small niche to put keys and wallets away from the main door. So just to be safe, try not to put it too near, so anyone can access. Put it further a bit. So to the left, right, will be a full height feature. Okay, this is actually part of the dining area. There's going to be a sliding door. Okay, so over here there is a top hung sliding door. There's going to be a cover or a pelmet. So this is the sliding door. Okay, soft closing. Okay, for soft closing you have to just push it a little bit more. Okay, this one needs some adjustment. They haven't completed yet, right? But there's a piece of clear glass, so you can see who's coming in and out from the kitchen. Okay, they still need some adjustment because there's a sound. Okay, there's a sound. Okay, so I'll remind my carpenter on this. Okay, once you enter the kitchen, okay, the color scheme matches what I've used for the living and dining. Okay, so this is the fridge, right? The fridge already delivered. So it's inside here. There's opening for conventional ovens, some top hung cabinets. There's a door, okay, for the dish rack. There's a dishwasher below. The compact plus top is coming soon, or actually later. Okay, so these are overlay sink. So for overlay sink, make sure it flushes with the cabinet top, okay, before they even lay any material on top. Okay, and the overlaying will be protruding out by about 5 to 10 mm, okay, around the sink. Okay, so this is the hob. Okay, so hob is quite straightforward. Once they install the top, the hob will be just placed over it. Okay, let's come towards the dining. Okay, this entire space used to be the living and the dining, right? But it has been converted into a dining, just a dining, because the huge table is going to be in the middle. Okay, there's going to be a hanging pendant lamp It's a huge feature wall for a 65-inch TV. When you do a feature wall for a TV, right, you need to have a bit more allowance at the left and right, to create like a border, so the TV doesn't look too huge on a feature wall. Okay, so proportion is very important. So over there used to be the common bedroom. I've hacked away the bedroom walls and doors and everything. Then reconfigure the middle bedroom entrance to be here, and the master bedroom entrance to be here. So right now I'm at the living area. So at the living area you see a full height TV feature wall with a simple floor standing TV console. There's some darker paneling at the top. So there's going to be a LED strip that continues this way. Okay, and you can see there's a drop ceiling here. So this drop ceiling actually hides the aircon lower. Okay, because of the direction, the air has to blow towards the dining area. So because living is here, so I think this is the best position. Okay, at the same time you can hide all the aircon trunking. So it goes below the beam, and of course into this common bedroom. So common bedroom you see some exposed trunking. I think that's fine. So that's the blower. And then it goes into the master bedroom at the back. So what you're seeing here is an entire feature wall that it hides the storeroom door. There's a flush fitted door to the common bathroom, so called, because right now it's already linked. So there's another door from the master bedroom coming in. Okay, so right now my carpenter is installing this another 2 bedroom doors, also flush fitted. So when the doors close, you can see that it's an entire, just like a flat feature wall. Okay, so you can't really tell that there's a door to the master and then a door to the common bedroom. So as you step in, okay, this is the, so the door is going to be here. So as you step in, right, there's a door here towards the bathroom, and over here there's some clothes storage or a mini wardrobe area. So my carpenters are also installing the study table with some top storage. Okay, there's a wardrobe here. There's a small window that you can access to the aircon compressor. So my client has bought his own queen size bed and mattress. So what I did was to design a L side table with a small niche at the sides. There's another side table there, but my carpenter has brought it back because he has done a bit too long. So this side table has to stop somewhere here because it needs to flush with the curtain pelmet on top. Okay, so it has to be aligned with this side table for the curtain to just slide in nicely. Okay, so today it's like a wall zone here. My client is moving in 2 days time, so everyone is here. They are installing and my painters are also here. So it's like a wall zone. But anyway, I think things are moving fast. Okay, and I'm quite glad that Compact Plus is also installing today. My plumber will be able to install the taps. Right, the sinks and the basins are all under mount, so already mounted. Okay, tomorrow will be the washing, and Saturday my client will move in. So let's see how it goes. I'll update you with more videos coming soon.